Hi there. I'd like to present to you the poem by Giacomo Leopardi called The Infinite. And in this video, I'm going to read the poem to you in Italian so that you can experience the original poem. And I'm going to explain how this poem uses the philosophical concept of the sublime. The sublime, as it was defined by the philosopher Immanuel Kant, is the experience we have, usually of awe, when we contemplate something that is just so big, so great, that we have to use our imagination to really conceive of how big it is. Like the infinite. Giacomo Leopardi wrote his poem originally in the Italian, and in this PDF that I'm using for this course, we have the original Italian here at the top, and then two English translations. Now, even though this poem was written in Italian, this is not a sonnet. I know this is not a sonnet because it has 15 lines, not 14. These lines also do not have a regular rhyme scheme in the original Italian. They do, however, have a regular meter. There are 12 syllables for each line. Have a listen. L'infinito, 1819. Sempre caro mi fu quest'ermo colle e questa siepe, che da tanta parte dell'ultimo orizzonte il guardo esclude. Ma sedendo e mirando interminati spazi di là da quella e sovrumani silenzi e profondissima quiete, io nel pensier mi fingo, ove per poco il cor non si spaura, e come il vento odo stormir tra queste piante, io quello infinito silenzio a questa voce vo comparando, e mi sovvien l'eterno, e le morte stagioni, e la presente, e viva, e il suon di lei. Così tra questa immensità s'annega il pensier mio, e il naufragar m'è dolce in questo mare. Like I said in my introduction to this module, Leopardi is contemplating the vastness of nature. And in this poem, we have the representation of the sublime. The experience of awe and maybe a little fear of something that is so great we have to use our imagination to conceive of its vastness. Remember, the sublime is that awe we experience when contemplating these great things. Very often, these great, enormous things are found in nature. Here, he's contemplating the space beyond the hill and the horizon and the whole sky. Notice the adjectives he uses: unending, superhuman, depthless. These grandiose thoughts are only possible with our imagination. We can think of the sea of his pleasant shipwreck as precisely that, his imagination. He also takes it a step further. Our one translation by Jonathan Galassi states, "The eternal comes to mind, and the dead seasons, and the present living one, and how it sounds. He then contemplates the sound of passing time. What do you imagine that sounds like? The wind in the trees? If this seems like a stretch of the imagination, wait till you read Baudelaire. I'll see you on the discussion board.